Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Realme 12 Plus. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down and enter additional settings. Then there's gestures and motions, and here you can find them all. There's also screen off gestures, but I covered them in my previous video on how to use screen off gestures on this device. So first one is swipe down with 3 fingers like this to take a screenshot. Then you can touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a partial screenshot. Then there's turn on and off flashlight with the volume buttons, and all you have to do is lock your phone and hold the volume down button. That way you'll be able to enable or disable the flashlight. Next is this window right here with motions. We have raise to wake, lift to ear to answer calls, auto switch to receiver, and flip to mute incoming calls. Let's start from the bottom. Flip to mute incoming calls. You can put your phone upside down screen to the table and it should mute all incoming calls. Next is auto switch to receiver, and it works with lift to ear to answer calls. If you're using any receiver like headphones and you lift your phone to your ear, it will answer the calls automatically and switch to that receiver. Then there's the lift to ear to answer calls, so you can lift your phone to your ear to answer the calls as well. And the last one is a raise to wake. If you lock your phone and pick it up in a grip, it should unlock without touching any buttons. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.